My name is Cherish.
Hi, Cherish. My name is 𝘿𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙣. You can call me Leo.
Hi, Leo.
Oh, hey.
You staying in this flat, right?
Well, not exactly, but I just stay down the street. You stay around too?
Yes, I stay around. I do stay around.
Okay.
Leo, I actually brought you here so we could talk.
Oh. What would you like to talk about? Trust me, you can tell me anything.
I think I'm in love with you.
Wow. Are you for real? I'm in love with you as well. This is like a dream come true for me. I've been in love with you from the very first day I saw you two.
Really?
Yeah. What's there not to love about you? You're a really beautiful woman, a really hardworking lady. Wow. I must say this means a lot to me. Well, wow, do you think maybe we could be more than friends?
Sure, I really do not mind. I don't.
Wow. This is amazing. This is a dream come true for me. Do you think I could get a hug for more than friends?
Sure.
So, if you don't mind, I could walk you back to wherever you stay. Maybe get to know your house where you stay. That's if that's okay by you.
Pleasure. That would be nice.